Welcome back. In this video I would like to show how to install the BEL-RB gem using Ruby and the gem command. The first thing we will do is verify that we have a supported version of Ruby, and BEL supports versions 1.9.3 and above. In this case I'm using 2.2.2. So now we check to see if we have the gem command, which we do. Gem allows you to manage gems on your local system, as well as find gems on a remote system. So in this case, let's search for BEL on the remote system rubygems.org. We can see the latest stable release is 0.2.1. We can also specify that we want to see the latest pre-release gem as well. In this case, 0.3.0.beta5 is the latest pre-release. And here it's actually showing us all pre-releases back to beta 1. So the first thing we would like to do is install the latest stable release of BEL. And we can do that simply by gem install BEL. By default, that will install the latest stable release. Now here it installed the latest gem, and it's now parsing the documentation. This piece takes a little bit of time on the 0.2.1 version, so I will skip ahead until it is complete. Okay, now the gem has been installed and the documentation has been built, and it took about a minute and a half or so. Now we can check the local gems to see if it was installed by gem list BEL. And this will retrieve all of the local gems that you have installed and filter it by, in this case, BEL. And you would be able to see all gems installed in your local system by specifying gem list. So now to install the pre-release version of the gem, we will use the command gem install BEL and tell it to use the latest pre-release version of the gem. Now this takes a little bit of time to build some native C extensions, so we'll pause and resume after it is complete. Okay, now the pre-release gem is installed, and you can see it built the native extensions, installed the gem, and then installed the documentation as well. Now we can confirm that we have both versions installed by gemlist BEL again, and we can see both versions. Now that we have those gems installed, we can also confirm that the commands executables that are delivered with the BEL gem are also present. And here we can run the commands compare, parse, schema, summarize, transform, upgrade, and upgrade term. This should give you an idea of what executables are available. And of course, you could use the library directly within a Ruby application. You can also list the contents of that particular gem, BEL, and let's say the latest beta 5. You can see here these are all of the Ruby files and executables and their locations on your file system. Alright, that should help you get started. Enjoy!